this quiet road, petals falling soft and slow. In the light I see your face, like a dream I can't replace. Every step feels like before, when you smiled a little more. In the silence of the spring, I still hear you sing. Time fades away, but you still remain. When the blossoms fall tonight, I still see you in the light. Even if the wind takes all, I will hold on through it all. Shadows dancing on the ground, everywhere your trace is found. In the warmth of golden skies, I still see your eyes. Moments slipping through my hands, like the waves upon the sand. But your voice is calling me from a memory. I try to move on, but you're never gone. When the blossoms fall tonight, you're the reason that I fight. Even when the seasons change, love will still And when the flowers fade away and colors slowly turn to gray, I'll keep your light inside my soul. You're the peace that makes me whole. Even if you're far away, in my heart you'll always stay. Blossoms fall tonight, I will chase your fading light. Through the wind and through the rain, I will call your name again. Even when the spring is gone, I'll be holding on to the love we made, that will never fade. Petals fall, but you